Are you somebody who's been studying and interested in implementing velocity banking and or infinite banking, and you have questions, you're not sure exactly what are your first steps or how to combine both infinite banking and velocity banking to make it work? Or maybe you're just trying to research some of your options for a debt tool like a first lien or a second lien HELOC, a personal line of credit or a business line of credit, or you want to look at an infinite banking life insurance policy, just the illustration so you can compare and see what that looks like for you. And if you want to look at how you can combine these strategies into one strategy, or if you should start with one and then implement the other one after, everyone is a little bit different and no two circumstances are identical or the same. And therefore, there is no cookie cutter answer to say that you should do it this way or that way. We have to look at your circumstances, your income, your cash flow to see what is the most effective way for you to address your case. Now, the other question is, are you looking to eliminate your debt? Is that your sole focus, just to get rid of the debt? Or maybe you want to raise capital and realize growth through investments and then pay off that debt later on in one lump sum. So everyone has a different level of risk tolerance and different goals and objectives. And that's really based on your values and your beliefs. Not everyone wants to just get rid of all the debt. And that's not your first priority. Maybe your priority is let's grow income, build wealth, and then I'll pay off that debt once I raise that cash flow and income up. Maybe your goal is before investing and growing, I just want to focus on getting rid of all of my debt. And that's good too. So, depending on who you are and what your values and beliefs are as it pertains to carrying debt, growing wealth, investing, there is no right answer. Whether you want to start with velocity banking and eliminate your debt, or you want to start with infinite banking and start building wealth and eliminating debt at the same time, you can do that. And that strategy will work and it'll allow you to recapture expenses and interest and build wealth as you pay off your debt. Now, if you can do both and you have the right amount of cash flow, then that might be even a better strategy for you. Again, there's no right or wrong answer here. It's what makes sense for you based on your values and your beliefs and your own desires, your goals to achieve success and wealth. Plan with the end in mind, which is ultimately leaving your legacy. And so, how much time do you have to eliminate the debt? Are you going to be able to build wealth after that? Thinking of your end result and what you're trying to achieve in the big picture is going to help you to accomplish your goals. And that's why I lead with legacy, because legacy is what you're going to leave after you've left this planet. After you're finished with your life, what are you leaving behind for your children and your children's children? What are you leaving behind for your community and for the people that you've had influence over in your life? Are you leaving behind a zero balance bank account? Are you leaving behind a flourishing business? Are you leaving behind a system that builds and creates wealth for each generation? So if you start thinking about where you are now and where you want to be and what you want to leave behind, that's going to help you to get where you want to go. Because not only do we want to get rid of debt and we want to build wealth, but the question is why? What is the big picture? And if you set up the systems in place so that you are on track to eliminate debt and build wealth, or to build wealth if you don't have debt and to protect and grow that wealth for every generation, please like, subscribe, and share. Please let someone know who will let someone know about this video and my content. If you'd like to have a free consultation, you can click the link in the description below to schedule a free call. We can discuss your circumstances and see if we can work together, if we can come up with a plan that makes sense for you based on your goals and your beliefs. I look forward to speaking to you then. Take great care. God bless. Sure.